Good evening. For the decimal multiplication portion problems for this particular um, assignment, the first one I had was 0.5 times 9. So to begin with, I laid out, I represented not the number 9 with 100 cube blocks. I did 9 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So then I had 0.5. That was what I was multiplying by. But in order to do that, I actually had to take away half of those blocks on each cube. So I circled them here to represent that I took them all away, which left me with, in each one, left me with a half. So 0.5 times, a half plus 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 half plus half plus half plus half equals 4.5. That is how I represented and did that one. On the next one, it was 2.4 times 1.4. So to start with, I represented 2.4 with 2 of those 100 count block, or the 2 of those cubes that have the 100, yeah, you know what I'm saying, 2 of these 10 by 10 cubes, and then I put in 4 additional just individual units of 10 to get to the 0.4. And then on this side, I have 1.4 represented here. I'll even draw it in because I forgot to do that before I started recording. So this side represents 1.4, and this side represents 2 and 0.4. So I have the 1 and I put the 0.4 in. So then these ones right here, I had to fill in to make a complete rectangle there. And then I added it all together. 1 plus 1 plus 0.4 plus 0.4 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0.4, 0.4, 0.4, and 0.16. It gives you a total of 3.36. That is the answer. And then for the final one, for the multiplying the decimals, I have 2 points. This one, 2.7 times 0.03. This one I actually kind of struggled with. So I started by putting out 2 representing 2.7 with these blocks and stuff. So I have 1, 2, and then 7 groups of 10 to represent the 0.7. But then I had 0.03, and initially when I did this, I took away, or I crossed off 7 rows out of each one. Except the problem with that was I was off by a place value. Didn't realize that right away. So 0.03 is actually literally 1, 2, 3, 3 individual blocks, and then 2.1 individual blocks. So and essentially it's 0.03 plus 0.03 plus 0.03 plus 0.021 gives you an answer of 0.081. Thanks for listening.